Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tania. Please take a moment to subscribe and press the bell icon beside it to get notified whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. As usual, I'm starting with my brows. With a spoolie, at first I am combing my brow hairs and then I'm using the eyebrow pomade from PSC and filling in my brows. If you want to see a detailed video on how to do your brows, keeping it natural, then please click the link above in the I button. Keep the starting of your brows as light as possible. This will give you a very natural look. Now I am using a concealer to clean underneath my brows. This will give my brows a more prominent shape. Try to use a lighter shade concealer for this because I will bring this concealer down on my eyelid as well, as this will act as my eyeshadow base. If you use a lighter color concealer, the eyeshadow colors you are using will pop more. So always try to use a concealer which is way lighter than your original skin tone. Then with a blending brush I am just blending in the concealer properly so that there are no harsh lines. And then I am using a setting powder to set the concealer so that it does not crease. I am using some extra loose powder underneath my eyes also because this will help me to dust off any excess eyeshadow fallout. Today I am using the Beauty Glazed palette and you can see how beautiful the colors are. There are so many vibrant colors in this palette. Today I am using the pink shade from the palette and I will apply it on the outer corner of my eyes and I will take it above. As you can see, I have taken that above my crease line. I am saturating the color only on the outer V of my eyes. I am not taking it in the front. I'm using a blending brush to just blend the edges and I will keep adding color unless I am happy with the pigmentation. Now from the Huda Beauty palette I am using the black eyeshadow and with the help of this black eyeshadow I will intensify the outer V further. You can use any black eyeshadow from any eyeshadow palette. With a smaller blending brush, I am just placing the black shadow on my outer V and giving my eyelid a shape, as you can see. Now I will again take the pink eyeshadow and the same blending brush and blend the black into the pink. Try to blend it properly so that there are no harsh lines left. The main focus of this eyeshadow look is the blending, so take your time to blend all the colors. Now I am taking the black eyeshadow again and I am placing it on my upper lash line and also on my outer corner. And then I will again take the pink eyeshadow and blend the black. I'm not adding any more color. With a clean blending brush, I'm just blending in the pink and black together. Now with the same concealer, I am cutting my crease, but as you can see, I am cutting my crease way above my natural crease line. This eye look is perfect for people with hooded eyes. If you have hooded eyes, you can definitely try this eye look. This will make your eyes look bigger. I'm using a flat shader brush, and with the help of a concealer, I'm cutting my crease. Take your time and make the line as even as possible. To get a clean cut crease look, you need to have a clean line. Now I am taking the pink eyeshadow and again I am blending above the crease line that I have created. Now I am taking the black eyeshadow once again and intensifying my outer V and upper lash line. I am using a smaller blending brush so that the black color does not spread to a wide area. Now again with the pink color, I will place the pink color just above the black color and blend the two colors together so that they look seamless. There should not be any harsh lines, so take your time and blend both the colors together so that they melt into each other. As you can see, I have left the inner corner empty. I have not applied any color there. Now with a white eyeshadow, I am just applying a white eyeshadow on the empty space and blending it with the pink and black. Now for my lower lash line, I am smoking out my lower lash line with the pink color first and I am just joining it with the upper lash line. Now I am taking the black eyeshadow once again and applying it on my lower lash line, and I will blend the pink and black together outwards. Now I am using the Soap X palette from Makeup Revolution to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. For eyeliner, I am using the In Color gel liner. You can use any eyeliner of your choice. I will just blend the outer edge into the black eyeshadow. Now for my lower lash line, I am using the same gel liner. You can use any eye pencil or kajal of your choice. Now I will curl my lashes and apply a good coat of mascara on my upper and lower lashes before applying falsies. The falsies I am using today are from Nykaa. I will quickly apply the falsies off camera. All the products I am using are mentioned in the description box below with their buying links. So here is the completed look. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the like button if you like it, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.